Welcome to the SolveABET Management Platform. This web platform is designed to help you submit and manage ABET reports more quickly. If your program uses the SolveABET Management Platform, everything is already set up for you at solveabet.com. So let's jump right in. To log in, simply select your participating program, then sign in with your university email address. The Reports Overview page is your main place for managing your forms. It will show you what you have assigned to yourself and allow you to submit data for each form. You can view your forms for each semester in a searchable, sortable chart. Simply use the search bar or click on the header you'd like to sort by. You can also get a more general overview of this page by using the Quick Guide tool, or see a detailed documentation on the Help page. The Questions button will also link you to the same Help page, which includes links to this video and the PDF version of this walkthrough. Now back to the table of forms. When you select a semester, it will show you some details on what forms are required. Templates for some of these forms may also be available below the table. To submit a form, simply click Upload for any form and select your file. Some uploaded forms may take a few moments to show up as the server performs an authentication check before confirming the submission. You can always overwrite submissions with newer submissions, and some forms, such as the student work or coursework, can have arbitrary number of files. When submitting outcome reports, rubrics, and data, you'll also have the option to submit using the web form and upload and input the raw data instead of uploading files. As a third option, these three forms can also be submitted using the Canvas integration tool, link in the description. Any of your files can be downloaded at any time, and the raw data can be viewed on the Outcomes Data page. Lastly, we hope you always remember that SolveABET is also committed to continuous improvement, so never hesitate to reach out with feedback, questions, or ideas for a better platform. Thanks!